video, we'll be going over the differentiation of exponential and natural log functions. So for exponential functions, the basic thing we have to understand is that we just simply multiply the derivative of the power of the exponential functions by its derivative. So whatever the function is, we differentiate it and we multiply it by the coefficient of the exponential function. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So we have e to the power 2x over here. So the derivative of 2x is 2, and the whole function e power 2x will remain as it is. So for e power 3x plus 5, the derivative of 3x plus 5 is 3. So we write just 3 over here, and we write the function e power 3x plus 5 as it is. If we have e to the power sine x, we know that the derivative of sine x is cos x, and the function will remain as it is. And finally, if we have e to the power cos x, the derivative of cos x is negative sine x, and we'll write e power cos x as it is. Now let's move on to the derivative of the natural log function. Now let's say if we had y is equals to ln x and we have to find the derivative of this. So what we have to understand over here is that when we were doing logarithms, what we learned was that y is equals to ln x can be written as x is equals to e to the power y. And we learned just right now that the derivative of y is equals to e power x will remain e power x because the derivative of x is 1. So let's say the question was that we had to differentiate y is equals to ln x. This can be written as e to the power y is equals to x. Now let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So the derivative of y with respect to x is dy, and the function remains as it is. The derivative of x is dx with respect to x. So rearranging this, we get dy over dx, which is equals to 1 over e to the power y. Now we know that e to the power y is equals to x. So dy by dx can be written as 1 over x. So we can write it as that the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Now let's take a look at a couple of examples. If we have a function which is ln of 2x, what we just simply have to do is we just take the derivative of this 2x function, and this whole function goes in the denominator. So this will become 2 over 2x. If it was d by dx of ln of 3x, so again this will be written as 3 over 3x. This will also be 1 upon x. When I cancel out, this will also be 1 upon x. So anything of the form ln of even, let's say, 10x. So this will be written as 10 over 10x, and they will all simplify down to become 1 over x. We can now simplify it down, where we can write ln of ax plus b will be written as the derivative of ax plus b divided by the whole function. So let's say we can write this as the function goes in the denominator and the derivative of the function comes up in the numerator. And that's how we differentiate a natural log function. Thank you.